What is menopause? I know almost nothing about the female body. Ask my wife. I don't know where anything
and you're
goes.
not the only one.
Is that true?
You're not the only one. When you talk about anything, especially dealing with menopause or breasts,
forget it.
Men just die.
And it is a very stupid question, especially for a man my age.
You know what? Menopause is hell.
It is.
Jimmy.
Is it really?
Menopause is a dark hole. Okay, that's what menopause is, and that's where I'm at right now.
Oh.
So I either will love my husband today or kill him today.
Oh, no. How long does it last?
You know what? Somebody needs to tell me, because it's lasted now for about 6 or 7 years. But the other day, my husband said, V, can you take this bowl and put this in the sink? I said, oh, sweetheart, yeah, let me see the bowl. Let me put it in the sink. And then 5 minutes later, he looked at me. He said, V, are you okay? I said, yeah, I'm fine. Are you sure you're okay? Because I found that bowl in the refrigerator. Please tell me you're not going crazy.
But you might be going crazy.
No, I'm not going crazy.
Don't get mad at me during the break, okay? I'm here.
No, you're cool.
I'm your friend. All right, Viola Davis is here. We'll be right back.